No, you're just a big baby. We know.
You're a big goofy boy.
Just scared. People weren't nice to you, honey? They weren't? No. I'm sorry.
We've been trying to trap this dog for days now. We trapped one of her friends. We've been trying to trap her. I was just about to set down some tranquilized food, and everybody told us there was a third dog, but we hadn't found it. And I was walking to set down the food for her, and I found this dog. Let's see if I can. It's okay, honey. He's in this hole. He looks like he's been there for days.
Oh.
This is horrible. Look at him. He is literally laying in sewer filth in a hole. Poor buddy. Bubby! It's okay. We're gonna help you. I'm so sorry. We're gonna get you help, okay? We're calling the firefighters right now to hopefully get you some good help.
Yeah, right there. There we go. Nice job.
Yay! Oh. If one of y'all can carry him to my car, I'm gonna take him right to the ER.
Yeah, hold up.
What's up, little buddy? James got him. Okay, how about the girl?
Oh, it's a sister. It's a sister of the girl. Okay, James.
Do you like the tub? Do you like the warmth? You say, I'm nice and dry now. Or I'm nice and clean. Yeah, enjoying your little tub puddle. You're so cute. She says, I'm out of the cold. Yay. She's falling asleep. You're so cute. How can you be so cute, puddle?